Hello everyone, now let's talk about the aspects of gene therapy. After the discussion, we will learn about how to understand what is gene therapy and to explain how gene therapy works and to identify the different aspects of gene therapy and to know its importance in medicine. Many of you here aren't familiar of gene therapy is, no? So gene therapy is a medical method that changes genes to treat diseases. It targets the root cause instead of just symptoms. For example, giubuta. Ang ato naandan dire is the traditional method which is moinom tag mga tabletas para maayo ta. Pero the gene therapy ilang target is the root cause. So for example, ang atong lungs day ang nay problema mo ang giubuta. So ilang tan-awon dito ang ato ang gene if naa ba siya defective or disorder dayon ilahan ng i-repair. It use advanced biotechnology techniques. Ang lain is kwaon mismo ang cell kung asa to ang gene dayon i-repair the use of biotechnology. Ang uban sad is directly inject sa kung asa to nga part or asa to nga cell ang naay disorder. These are called in vivo and ex vivo method. In vivo, mo to siya ang mo-inject directly into patient's body. And ex vivo is i-extract niya ang cell or kwaon niya ang cell sa patient and i-modify the use of biotechnology. Another is gene therapy replaces or repairs defective genes, which as I mentioned before, helps the body function properly, use vectors like viruses to deliver genes. So the gene therapy daw is more repair or more replace sa atong gene. It use a corrective gene. I-correct nila ang ato ang disorder nga gene or mga defective gene nga ilang nakita para ang atong body is mo function daw properly. The uses also vectors to deliver genes. Ang vectors is mo na siya ang gitawag sa pag-deliver. So na siya tawag is viral delivery. Viral, it means viruses. Nganong viruses man? Because viruses is known to be natural in the ability to infiltrate human cells and carry genetic material. Which means ang ila pong i-carry is good viruses nga makaayo pod sa atong lawas or makatreat as sa katong nga gene nga ilang i-repair.
Scientific aspect involves genetic engineering, uses vectors to insert healthy genes, focuses on correcting gene mutations. Gene therapy is based on genetic engineering, where scientists change or repair genes inside the body. It uses vectors such as modified viruses to deliver healthy genes into a patient's cells. The main goal is to correct the faulty or mutated genes that causes diseases. This aspect shows how science and technology are used to improve human health. Medical aspect used to treat genetic disorders can help in cancer treatment, offers long-term or possible treatment solutions. Gene therapy is important in medicine because it can treat genetic disorders like inherited diseases. It also being studied as a treatment for some types of cancer by helping the body fight abnormal cells. Unlike regular medicines that only manage symptoms, gene therapy may provide long-term or even permanent solutions by fixing the root cause of the illness. Ethical aspect concerns about safety and risk, issues on modifying human genes, debate on effects on future generations. Gene therapy also raises ethical concerns. One issue is safety because changing genes may cause unexpected side effects or risk. Another concern is whether it is right to modify human genes, especially if its changes can be passed on to future generations. Because of this, many people debate the limits and proper use of gene therapy in society.
Next one is economic aspect. The economic aspect focuses on the cost of gene therapy and who can afford it, because it uses advanced technology. It is very expensive and not accessible to everyone. For example, a patient with a rare genetic disease may need gene therapy to live, but the treatment can cost millions of pesos. Even if the treatment exists, the family might not be able to afford it, so access becomes unfair. So the economic aspect of gene therapy is about its high cost and limited access, which can make treatment unfair for some patients. The next one is social effect. Gene therapy can change how people think about diseases and what is considered normal or healthy. For example, if gene therapy can remove a disability before a baby is born, some people might think disability should not exist, which can affect how we treat people with those conditions. Um, gene therapy can affect how society views diseases and people with genetic conditions. Conclusion: gene therapy is helpful because it can treat serious diseases, but it must be used carefully. For example, while gene therapy can cure a genetic illness, scientists still need to make sure it is safe and does not cause harmful side effects. Gene therapy is very helpful, but we need to make sure it is safe and used properly. Thank you.